Hi, this is Andrew The Blacksmith coming to you from Bangkok. Been a very busy day today. I'm promoting the IM checklists of Kevin Fahey, and they're intense to say the least. So there's actually 4 of them altogether. This is the first one. This is let me see. Checklist. Product review. He says a mouthful here. A lot of people think there's some big secret to making money online. Oh, good on you. Hi, this is Andrew the Blacksmith coming to you from Bangkok, and today I'm promoting Kevin Fahey's Internet Marketing Checklists. Now this is checklist number 1, the product creation. And it's very intense, I must say. As he says here, a lot of people think there's some big secret to making money online. But no, Kevin follows a proven step-by-step system, as does anyone who's doing some enormous task. So he's introducing the checklists here. There's a few of them, but it's actually broken down into 4 categories. So I think this is suitable for everyone. Even experienced marketers can gain a lot of wisdom and information from this. Read Florian, he says, the ability for someone to follow a proven method step by step like this is tantamount to their success. Go. And you'll be getting some bonuses, and I might add that when you buy through my link, see, this is product 1, you'll be getting some great bonuses over here too. These will be available in the after the checkout. Okay, so that's it for now. I might add something else, but we'll hold it up there. So bye for now, Rickapoody and a Fandoogly.